Good morning, everyone. This is our last full day here on the Valiant Lady. I got our room service for the morning. Let's open it up and see what's in it. We got the Nutella French toast with the sausage and the fruit. That looks good. And we just got a couple of teas. So with the room service, it's free if you order $10 or above. If you order something and it's less than $10, you're going to be charged whatever it is in $10. Say like the delivery fee is $10 and you order just a tea for breakfast at $6. It's going to be $16. So really you have to order 2 teas to make it $12, and then the delivery is free. But in that case, you might as well just pay the $10 delivery fee unless it's something else that you really want. Okay, y'all. This breakfast is not the best. Sausage, I don't know if you see, it look kind of pinky in there. It's a little undone for me. The eggs are a little soft. I like mine's scrambled hard, but I knew that I was gonna get that because you can't specify how you want your eggs. The bacon is pretty decent. This tea, I got one of JoJo teas, y'all. Yeah. This is the most god-awful tea I ever had in my life. It is terrible. It's like it's been seeping for like weeks, and they just poured it in those like thermos things. It's harsh on the throat. It's very harsh. Don't order that tea, y'all. I'm telling you, do not order that tea for room service. It is horrible. We did order the French toast. We're gonna try that right now. This breakfast is getting a 2 out of 5. They did not. We ordered blueberries and croissants. That was not with it. So going upstairs to the galley, getting your eggs custom ordered, getting, you know, maybe your sausage is more well done than it is of them trying to get all these orders out and rushing. So like I said, this breakfast, this room service breakfast is a 2 out of 5. This is the French toast. It's a Nutella. It is a stuffed Nutella, so it's spread like in the middle. I'm not a fan of Nutella, but let me taste it. Once again, it's not bad. It's just not hot, you know. Even though it comes in an insulated bag and the containers are insulated, you don't know how long they've been sitting down there before and how many orders that the staff had when they were delivering them to the room. So you don't know how long it's been since it left where it was cooked until it got to your room. You just want something on your stomach, yeah, I will order room service because you can order it before 2 a.m. But if you're looking for something hot or whatever, like I said, this is okay. If it was hot, it would be better. Nutella it's a stuffed Nutella French toast. Everybody doesn't really care for Nutella, so it would have been nice if they had just put that on the side. You choose to put the Nutella on your French toast, fine. If not, then you're good. A lot of people don't like that. Like, I really don't care for it. It's okay, but it's cold, so. We're on our way
Did you turn that thing?
up to get something to eat up at the galley, and then we're going over to Bimini. See, he been acting funny, y'all. So you know, the noodle bar up here, the noodle around is open at 7 o'clock in the morning. So you don't have to wait until lunch. So we are here in Bimini. We're walking over. It's windy, y'all. It feels good because it's overcast, but it is very windy here. Let me show you the waves. See the waves rustling? But it's good that it's overcast, so it's not that hot. So yeah, we're gonna go over and see what we can get into. Hey, you can see it's all girls. We missing one though at Thermal Spa. So walking to the free shuttle, which is right there, and you just have to stand in line. The line is here, and as they fill up, you come back. It's like a 5 to 7 minute drive over to the Bimini Beach Club. Don't lose your hat, babe. This is Fisherman's Village. This is a stop where you get a golf cart.
I just said 80
or if you want to go over there and shopping over there. Second stop is the the hotel. The beach club. There's no lifeguard on duty here, so you swim at your own risk, y'all, so just know that. And this is down here where the sand is. There's plenty of loungers. You just need to get here early to get them. Here, this is where the food is, y'all. Okay, here's the menu of food items that you can get over here. It opens up at 11. This is the seating area. Now, you might want to get one of those round things that prevent the, you can see it right there. You see it at that table, one of the things that prevent the flies from landing on your food, because the flies are over here, y'all, and they will be on your food quicker than you could say whatever. For the rock stars in you, or if you rent a cabana, see, Rockstar Retreat. Bars, they have beers and ciders and wine, and they have slushy drinks as well. Yeah, I go with that sand. I hate sand in my feet. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, and we look at the chair, make sure ain't nothing in the seat. Let me get over here in the shade. And as I was telling you about, if you get a table, make sure you get one of these little fly preventer things, so while you're eating, the flies don't land on your food. Q and I are really not beach people. We're really not. Over to walk. We don't eat over here because we've had so many episodes of those flies, y'all. We just not trying to fight with them. But we did, like I said, I showed you that little fly preventer little thing. So they have added those, but they're not on all the tables. But you probably could ask for it when you get your food if you don't have one at the table. That's just a personal preference. I mean, you come over here, you eat. Have you eaten over here? Do you like the food? Drop a comment down below if you like the food over here. Plates around, and they come swooping down getting their food. The seagulls. They done got corn and everything. I'm gonna try to talk over this music, y'all, because this music is non-stop over here when you come over here to the beach club. Y'all, I'm taking y'all down there to the beach area. They got these little, see the little pathway, so you don't get a lot of sand in your foot. And see, these are the beds here, and these are, I believe, first come, first serve, y'all. So yeah, let's walk down. Shay is here somewhere, y'all. You know, she loved the beach and the water. Getting a drink while they clean out room. With my pear cider. My shrimp. Good evening. This is our last full evening here on the Valiant Lady. We are about to go to the wake for dinner. And we taking you with us. Let's go. So this is my last outfit of the evening. It is a two-piece, like leopard print with like turquoise accents in it, flowers, earrings. I just got my gold and silver sandals, turquoise bag, my wrap, and this is my final outfit of the evening. So we're here in the lobby area of the restaurant waiting for everybody else to come so that they can seat us properly. At the table, our last dinner together as a group, even with Miss Grouchy Pants. So here's the bread. The bread is always a good thing. There's your bread. got the bone marrow, y'all. I can't with that. That's nasty.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then this is the water clam chowder in here. So there it is.
You thought that was it. You thought that was the whole meal.
You got a steak, y'all. It looks pretty good. And Ale got the lammy choppies. Asparagus and everything. She's gonna let us try a little bit of all of the sides for everybody. That's the spinach.
Is this steak on?
Spinach.
Mushrooms on this side, yeah.
That's the salted dorade, and they're gonna take it out of the salt encased pastry that it's cooked in. Thank you. Thank you.
That's a black pepper.
So here's my dorada right here. The sauce right there. Let me just it right there. This is it. We'll squeeze the lemon on it, y'all. Oh, it's okay. It definitely needs some seasoning. So she put pepper on it, and the salt from it baked in the encasing, I guess the salt infused packet gives it the salty flavor. I'm slipping, y'all. I left my seafood seasoning upstairs, and that would have really popped it up a notch. So I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. So we just left the wake. We're going to Razzle Dazzle to get those wings, y'all. Meal for everyone. I'm gonna say a 3 out of 5, and that's a week 3, okay? It was just okay, but we're going to get wings. We have made it again. So we weren't able to go in Razzle Dazzle by night because they only allow you to get 1 reservation per restaurant for 5 days or less. And it was crowded in here. But my thing is, what if you go to a restaurant and you really don't like it and you burned your chance to go back in the restaurant that you enjoyed because it was a restaurant that you didn't like. So maybe they need to change that. This is the last evening here, and guess what? We used their free cash, we gambled, we drank on that bar tab, and we done for the night, right y'all? Well, we gonna get a closing drink. We getting shots of whiskey for us. We getting shots of tequila for Shay, and they about to roll them right now, y'all. There they go. These are the whiskeys, and this is the tequila right here. We about to end this night right, y'all. The Buffalo Trace. Okay, we appreciate that. She got to do the bullet on us, y'all, because she ran out of Buffalo Trace. But it's all good. All right. Thank you. Q got 1. Shay got 2 of the of the tequila. Q and I got 2 of the whiskeys, y'all. So okay, y'all. Gather in, everybody. Let's cheers to our last night here at the Virgin. Bam. Bam. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Let's do this, y'all.
That's not bad.
I know. Let's do this, y'all.
This ain't bad.
Woo! Woo! Wait a minute, hold up.
That almost came up. Don't do it like that. You gotta sit.
Second shot, y'all. Ooh, what you say, babe?
Only. You gotta sit. You gotta
She about to have a conniption.
She's an amateur.
She's an amateur.
You gotta sip.
Gotta sip it. Okay, I'm sipping this one because my throat on fire, y'all.
Go ahead. That was nasty. Y'all don't mind my food. It was disgusting.
Woo! We really out, y'all.
Who got whiskey for?
Okay, y'all, I'm back again. We stopped at the pizza place. We got pizza. Okay, we got pizza to go back to the room. What you laughing at? She laughing. What you laughing at?
You went to you like we back again.
Yeah, we back again. I don't. How many shots I had? How many shots I had? Got pepperoni pizza. I got my shot right here. Q got his shot. Everybody got their shots. We fitting to go to the room. Q got his beer. Okay. Drop a comment. Do you go to the pizza joint? It does not matter if it's on Virgin, if it's on Carnival, if it's on Royal, if it's on, I don't care, MSC. Do you go to the pizza joint after hours to get your eat on, especially when you've been drinking? Because I know we do all the time. Okay, y'all. So we got our pizza. Okay. Because we pizza night. I used all my cellar loop. I'm bringing home some skimmers. We used all of our. We use it all. We use all of the bar tab. Getting shots at the end of the night, like we always do when we on Virgin. It seems like we always be popping off the last night. They got the music playing. They got the casino is popping. They got everything going on. And we indulge in it, but we got an early flight, so we need to be up in here getting our clothes together. You know how they go, y'all. So if you like this content, hit like, subscribe, comment. Do y'all wait till the last night to turn it up to use all of your bar tab? Because we always doing on the last night. Do y'all do that too? If you do, let us know. Okay. We got some other stuff coming up. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when we posting our next content, y'all.